Hi everyone, I'm John Bertles, and I build musical instruments from trash, making connections to science, the environment, cultural studies, and literacy. I'd like to tell you about some of my professional development programs. Let's start with building musical instruments with recycled and reused materials, a core workshop running for over 25 years. In this live or virtual workshop, teachers learn how to build musical instruments from simple materials, which keeps the budget low and ensures that materials are easily accessible. We talk about the science of sound, we look at the environment and sustainability issues having to do with microplastics, and at the end, we create musical stories or work with pre-written sources. Paul Klee was a Bauhaus painter who found inspiration in the shapes of musical notes and musical instruments. In this workshop, we'll take inspiration from him, take his paintings, and find ways to transform those paintings into musical pieces. We'll build simple musical instruments as sound sources, then compose for the instruments using invented notation, and finally perform them. The process of looking at an artwork, getting inspiration from it, and transforming it into something new is an example of higher level thinking. Sound of Science is a STEAM and arts integration workshop that explores the connections between science and musical instruments. The combination of building simple tactile musical instruments and combining with cool videos and demonstrations using everyday objects really helps to demystify sound. The workshop ends with an amazing demonstration about birdsong. Now slow-mo. Slow down the frequency of the sound waves and you lower the pitch. I often work with my wife, choreographer Karina Piaggio, who adds a dance component to many of these workshops. Contact me to brainstorm a program. Stay safe, everyone.